Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 142 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to make this one pretty quick. I'm going to be talking about purple tree collard. I have a lot of videos on this variety. It's my favorite variety for multiple reasons, and I'll tell you why right now. So here, you can see it right here. You can see that purple color. I don't know if you can notice it though. Yeah, you should be able to see it. The purple color of the purple tree collard, it grows like a snake on the ground. It grows out and then comes up like a cobra, out and comes up. So a lot of people you see online trying to stake it up, and they're like 10 foot tall, 15 foot tall plants, and then all of a sudden they'll break and fall because they're too heavy. That's not how this is designed. This wants to grow like especially compared to the other varieties you saw, it's more bushy. These don't get as bushy, they just want to grow out and up. Now the reasons why I like this variety is it's extremely sweet. Even in the summer it's pretty sweet. But in the winter, it's almost like sugar, almost. It's like, imagine broccoli and sprinkle a little bit of sugar on that broccoli. That's what this tastes like. Now, people go, ew, that's disgusting. But everyone that's ever tasted this before loves it, especially my son. So it does get a lot of insect activity, probably because it's so delicious. But the leaves get about 2 to 3 times bigger than this in the winter. In the summer, there's a stunted in growth. But I just love this variety. The best tasting fresh and the best tasting cooked. And then we made a sadama with it before, yalanchi. We're wrapping it up. Instead of using dolma grape leaves, we use purple tree collard leaves. I have a video on that, I think, as well. If I find it, I'll link it up. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.